Hey man, say man, it's your boy Takewiz TV. I'm back with another video. In today's video, as you see in the title, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make brand logos today for your clothing brand, you feel me? If you're new to my channel, you don't know what my channel is about. I do a lot of fashion videos, a lot of clothing videos. I show people how to make clothing brands, how to make fashion logos, brands, graphic tees, etc. So if you ain't checked out any of my videos, go ahead, you feel me? Do what you gotta do, go check them out. But go ahead, wait till the end of the video so you can learn this knowledge, you feel me? Before you go check out the rest of my videos, and then you just be the best clothing brand manager, runner ever in the world, folks. Like, but without further ado, that's enough with the intro, you feel me? I'm gonna get straight into the video. Okay, so boom, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make logos and like brand logos and shit for y'all clothing brand. It's gonna be more of like a tutorial video today. Like, I'm gonna just be showing y'all, like, I'm gonna show y'all my clothing brand, my logos and shit, and like how I made mine myself. And yeah, so if you feel me? Okay, so boom, if you looking for, like, if you looking to start a clothing brand, looking to make new clothes, new logos, or even just rebrand, repurpose, you feel me? This is the video specifically for you, you feel me? And I'm not gonna hold y'all up, so what I'm gonna do is, in the next clip, I'm gonna probably put my computer screen on the screen, and then we're gonna be back recording, you feel me? So let's get, okay, so boom, so I have the screen recording going, you feel me? So basically what you should be looking at right now is my Instagram. So we're gonna go ahead, from here, we're gonna go straight to my clothing Instagram. Okay, so boom. So I'm gonna show y'all some of the logos I have. So I have, of course, my like brand logo, like for my Instagram, like the profile picture, and then I got these logos. Now those logos, that's like a free to find, like you can Google that and find that image specifically, like especially this one, and then it's just a font. So that's like my profile picture. So, but as far as my like brand logos, I have this one, which is the my Steez hoodie. I got that brand logo. I have this one with the image I just showed y'all, that one. But like the different images and shit I make and different logos and shit I make, the best place you're gonna wanna go is you're gonna wanna go to Kittle.com. Kittle.com, free plug, you feel me? Then I gotta log in. So I'm gonna cut this part of the video out, or you looking at me, but you're not looking at my screen, but I'm logging in. So yeah, we're logged in. So boom, now that you're here, you're gonna go, I would say Y2K is the best place. Like, look, two places I would say look if you wanna make a logo right now. So either type in Y2K or click this right here, or I would type in streetwear, and then press enter. You're gonna find logos in both spaces, you feel me? So yeah, streetwear, Y2K, whichever one. I would just say go there. Okay, so basically, we're just gonna take a random template. So boom, we're just gonna use this random template. I'm gonna show y'all how to cook up a design. We're gonna cook up a little something real quick. So boom. Alright, it's loading. Alright, boom. So first thing first, let me see what it looks like. What the texture just adds that like kind of worn out look. But I'm gonna take that off, and then I'm gonna change the background to this. So I don't know really which one of these I really like just fuck with the most. I don't really like any of these, like, to be like super authentic with you. Just on some crazy shit, but I use this one. So we're gonna cut. So first we're just gonna move all these. Kinda wanna use this. So yeah, basically with Kittle, you can like break up each thing. Fuck, I did not mean to do that, so we're gonna go back. Okay, so I'm just probably gonna use this one. Okay, with that being said, I'm gonna put in the name of my clothing brand, which is Steez. S-T, I think I spelled it wrong. I can't see. Oh, I spelled it right. Okay, Steez. You got the Steez, you got this. Got the Steez, and then if you wanted to use like any of these, like you could, but for right now, I'm just gonna delete them because I'm not really making a logo. I'm just showing y'all like the best place to like find like a template. So say this is what I want to use. Group color. Say we want to make this blue, and then make the inside. Hold on, we go to layers. And then we're gonna make this like extremely white. Okay, boom. So now, boom, you have a new logo. Save it as a PNG. And then I'm gonna take it to Pixar. Now, Pixar is a free software I would use. Like I have the paid version of it because like it's a lot you can do with it. But I also use, as you can see, I have Adobe Cloud or Adobe Illustrator also as well, so I use that. And if I was to pay for anything, that's what I would recommend any of y'all paying for. So boom, I'm just gonna take a blank background, go to my files, you feel me, and then just toss that logo I just made in here. So as you see, it's small, but it's a PNG. So what I want to do, all I'm doing here is just making it large, and I'm just gonna save it again as a PNG. Now you have this image, whatever you want to do with this. You want to make it a logo, you want to put it here, and then add a background to it and make it your like brand logo, whatever. You can do that. But Kittle is the place I would Kittle's a place I definitely recommend as where you would want to find like places to make logos, because you can repurpose any of these. I wouldn't really necessarily just steal anybody's shit just verbatim. Like, of course, I would always like change something up, but that one I just like put my name on it and showed y'all like where you could go. But yeah, they got plenty of like as you see, I got plenty of places where you can start from templates you can use. But yeah. So boom, I'm gonna stop the screen recording with that. But yeah, if you want to use easy Y2K logos, Y2K fonts, any brand logos, Kittle.com. If you made this one video, check out my Instagram, check out my clothing brand, Official Steez Clothing. Link will be in the description. If this video helped you any kind of way, like, comment, subscribe. If you're new, it's your boy Quiz, and I'm out.